Hey, I just bought a Harley Benton Amarok from Toman. Let's check it out. This video isn't paid promotion. I purchased this guitar from Toman with my own money. Let's go through some of the specs. This is a flame veneer and it's got the matching headstock. This is a Graphtec nut, jumbo stainless steel frets. The radius is about a 14-inch, even though it's millimeters on the website. These fret markers are pearloid, but it has glow-in-the-dark markers on the top side. Strings are 10 through 59 and they're supposed to be Diodario, but they do not have the color ball ends. Maybe bulk export Diodarios do not have the colored ends. Ebony fingerboard, dual action truss rod, barrel adjuster there, which is awesome. These are EMG's retroactive hot 70s. The bridge would be ceramic magnet, and I believe the neck is Alnico 5. To me, these pickups sound like PAF style, but they're just cleaner and hotter. I really love these pickups, man. Volume, tone, 3-way switch. Harley Benton is calling this thing a HPS 7, so I don't know if that stands for hip shot or I don't know what I'm talking about. But it's a hardtail. This finish is supposed to be a trans black. Strap button here, Grover locking tuners. This is a 5-piece neck, maple, mahogany. Neck through construction. The body sides are mahogany. Here's the battery compartment for the EMGs. Control cavity plate. The entire finish is satin. Let me give you a look at the headstock again. The label back here said made in Indonesia and had the serial number. So I'm only going to do one song this video and I hope it's a good song. I just have no time to write out leads. I'm just going to hit record and play whatever. These are 2 gig bags I ordered. I do this because they'll double box the guitar. Sometimes if you order just the guitar, they'll ship it in this without double boxing it. Please be a good one. Okay. What's the hang tag doing down there? Oh, it's not heavy? Yes. This guitar is my first 7-string. Out of all the years of playing guitar, I never had a 7-string. I said, you know what? I'm so sick of being in concert pitch and having to do inversions and stuff to do lower chords. And it affects writing too. I started tuning one of my guitars down and I realized, hey, I write different in this tuning. So that's what made me think, hey, just get a 7-string and it'll be normal tuning and you'll have the low B, okay? Because these are tuned just like a regular guitar on the 6 and you have a low B right here. I never was a fan of of EMGs because the 81 and 85, they're real sterile sounding, you know. That's what I always associated with active pickups, that they're thin and real sterile sounding. These are like a traditional pickup, and I think the active part of it is just a little preamp or whatever. Aside from not having a Floyd Rose, this guitar is every spec I would want in a guitar. I mean, everything. The fingerboard, the stainless steel frets, the pickups. I love the pickups. I love these barrel truss rod adjusters. I do not want a guitar that's got the plate right here that you have to take off. 2 pickup system, volume tone, 3-way switch. Nothing so far out of the way that you can't reach it. I absolutely love the neck through construction because throwing around bolt-ons, you're always like making sure the neck didn't shift on it. And with this, you don't have to worry about it. It's like throw the guitar around your neck and stuff, and hey, it's still where it was before because it's not moving anywhere. Back when I toured, I would throw the guitar around my neck. One time I hit a wall with one of my Strats and it shifted the neck on it. And ever since then, just subconsciously, I'm like, man, I wonder if I'm shifting the neck on this thing by throwing it. If you ever take one of Yngwie's guitars apart, he has them anchors that are fine thread where you can really torque the neck down, because obviously Yngwie's had those problems too, throwing a guitar around his neck and the neck shift. Man, I just love everything, dude. Harley Benton, put a Floyd Rose option on these and I'm sold. If you guys know of any guitars that have the same spec, comment below and let me know. The only ones I've seen that are close are Schecter, but I don't like the 3-in-3 tuning. I like the inline. And Schecter has some headstocks that are inline like this, but there's always something else I don't like the pickup selector would be way down here or something. It's like, Schecter always has something wrong, it seems, on my preferences. They can have everything right, but the truss rod adjuster would be up here with a plate. I don't want that. Or they can have the barrel here, the knobs and pickup switches way down here. Legator guitars make some guitars that are similar spec to this. They're a lot more expensive. Maybe Kiesel can make a guitar that's like this if you use the guitar builder. I love the guitar. You'll be seeing it more on this channel. Well, hey, this is it for now. Thank you so much for stopping by. Consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys next video.